Hello everyone, welcome to the ITLS Academy. Today we are going to perform another experiment, that is your detection of blotting paper in rabri. Here this instead of rabri we are going to take another milk product, that is your chena. Okay, and the blotting paper are act as a adulterant. Okay, this adulterant are added into the chena or rabri, so that the quantity of the product increases. Okay, but when this adulteration are occur, the quality of the product decreases, and even the nutritive value of the product are also decreases. Okay, so the reason behind the performing this experiment is only to detect that blotting paper, otherwise it will affect the quality of the rabri or a chena. Okay, so for performing this experiment we required this setup. The reagent, the chemical that we required for performing the experiment is your concentrated sulfuric acid. Okay, sorry, concentrated HCl, hydrochloric acid. So we are handling a concentrated hydrochloric acid, that is your HCl. So we have to take a extra precaution. Okay, when we are performing this experiment, we have to wear a proper gloves like this, proper mask and proper lab coat, and we have to avoid it to come in direct contact with this hydrochloric acid. Otherwise it will, if it is absorbed by our skin, then it will damage our skin, it will cause skin irritation, and it will also damage our eyes and cause eye irritation. So apart from this hydrochloric acid, we also required a sample, that is our sample. Then we required a spatula, weighing balance for the weighing of that sample. Then we required a glass rod, beaker, then micropipette tip. Now what we have to do, we take a 1 gram of sample into a beaker, then we add a 3 ml of the concentrated HCl. Then we mix it with stirrer with the help of the glass rod. Then after a proper stirring with that glass rod, we remove that glass rod from the beaker and examine the glass rod. Okay, if any fine fibers are present in our glass rod, then it means that our sample are adulterant with that blotting paper. If you don't get this, then it means that our sample are pure. So let's start the sample. First of all, we have to take a weight of the sample. We are going to perform this into this beaker. Don't forget to tear the weight of the beaker. Now we have to take 1 gram of the sample. We have to add more. Now this is 1 gram. Now just with the help of that spatula, we have to break the bond of the sample. Now with the help of this micropipette, we have to add 3 ml of the sample. Sorry, 3 ml of that concentrated HCl. Avoid it to inhale the fume of the HCl. Now we have to stir it with the help of that uh, glass rod. Now examine the glass rod. See, we don't get any residue at the glass rod, which means that this our sample is not adulterant with the blotting paper. So this is all about the detection of the blotting paper in a rabri or a china. I hope you will understand, but if you have any query related to this experiment, you are free to ask me in a comment box, or for a further detail you can follow the ITLS Academy on different platforms. That is your Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, WhatsApp, and LinkedIn. And subscribe our channel ITLS Academy on YouTube and get our app from a Google Play. You can also visit our website, that is your www.itlsacademy.com. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel.